Wanna download files from Megab without a limit? Then watch this video until the end. Hello guys, it's Ken. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download files from Megab without a limit. To do this, I'm using MegaBasterd software. Okay guys, let's head to the tutorial. Go to Google, search for Megab. Then click on the result from GitHub. Then click on releases. Here you can see all the packages. If you are a Linux user, you can download one of these. Here I'm using Windows, so I should go with this one. If you are a macOS user, download the jar file. Here you can see I have already downloaded the zip file. Okay, let's extract it. And go to its folder. I create a folder named DL. This is the folder I'm going to store downloaded files. Next, run this application. Yeah, it's really ugly, but it works well. Here you can see some options. And you can find settings in here. Right, I'm going to change the download folder. Make sure that this checkbox is checked. When using smart proxies, MegaBasterd will try to download files using different proxies after exceeding the limit for your IP address. And if you have your own proxies, you can add them here. I'll show you how to add them later. You can add your Mega accounts here. If you have a Mega Pro account, you can add it here. Then you can download files without the 5 GB limit. If you are a student, you can claim your Mega Pro account for free. I have added a video to show you how to claim yours. You can find it on my channel. After setting up, click on Save. I have added several mega links to my clipboard. If any mega link available in your clipboard, MegaBasterd will show you, but I add the link manually for this video. With MegaBasterd, you can get a higher download speed. Right, it is downloaded successfully. Let's add another mega link. Here you can see the color of the indicator turned into orange color. It means I hit the limit. I exceeded the limit before downloading 5 GB because I downloaded another file before taking this screen record. You will see the download speed drop because proxies that comes with Megab are public ones, so the transfer speed is low. But if you have good proxies, you can get its highest download speed, but it's tough to find good proxies for free. But if you have a serious situation, I suggest you to buy some premium proxies spending several bucks. You can find premium proxies for cheap prices on the internet. I tried to find a workaround, that's why I couldn't publish the video on the last weekend, but my effort got nothing. But I'll try finding a solution and I'll do another video if I find one. Yeah, with these proxies it takes longer to download files, but at least MegaBasterd does its job perfectly. If you want to add your own proxies, I will show you after downloading this file. Yeah, it took me about an hour and 10 minutes to download the file, but if I had some good proxies, it would only take a few minutes. If you know any solution or trusted place to get good proxies for free, comment below. It would be really helpful for everyone. Right, if you have your own proxies, you can add them like this. First IP address of the proxy. Next type the port, then add symbol. After that, enter your username. But you can't add your password in plain text like this. You should encode it using base64. You can do it simply. Open your browser, type base64 encode in the search box. And use one of top websites. Yeah, it's pretty simple. After copying the encoded text, you can add your password to MegaBasterd. After adding proxies, save your settings, but I'm not doing this here since I added fake details for an example. I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. To watch more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.